performances, stunning production, and massive cultural and commercial impact, this award honors the Standout Live Music Event of the Year. Here are the nominees for Concert of the Year!
The FMA's Concert of the Year nominees are Silakbo, Couple Joe, Pure Energy, One More Time, Gary Valenciano, Reset Concert Series, Regine Velasquez Alcacid, Simula at Wakas, World Tour Kicker, SB19, Sarili Nating Mundo at the Big Dome, TJ Monterde.
And the award for Concert of the Year goes to Simula at Wakas!
Papasalamat lang po ulit kami sa lahat po na bumubuo ng concert. Direct Power, ayun sa... Akit po kayo dito! Mula sa pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamataas na posisyon, pantay-pantay po tayo lahat. Hindi mabubuo itong programa na ito, yung concert na ito, kundi dahil sa inyo. Buhay kayo lahat. Direct Power!
I want to acknowledge the other artists, my other nominations, Tita Regine, Couple Joe, my dad, and I want to acknowledge the one guy who was with me in all 4 shows, G.A. Falyarme. This one's for you. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po. Gusto lang po namin encourage lahat din ng artist dito na huwag po kayong matakot mag-concert. Independent, kaya po lahat. Walang imposible. Thank you so much!